Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's me King Eru, and today I make this video a little bit short than before because I think it's too good to make you interact more if this video is a little bit shorter, because my previous one is always like an half hour maybe, and I think that will make you all bored about it, and that's why I decided to make it shorter. And yeah, maybe that's it what I changed about this video, and the rest is all the same. But if you have any thought about this video to be better one, please give me your thought in the comment, and I will try to make it more best as I can do. That's it, baby. Thanks again for listening this, and let's get to the main attraction. Here we go. Thanks for watching, and please watch my another video, and don't forget to subscribe, giving like, and leave a comment about what you thought, and see you next time on another video. Bye bye.